Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Shubhag. We are going to Chadar Trek in Ladakh, me and my friends, and we are all set with all my luggage and stuff. See you guys soon. We are here at the airport waiting to check in Bangalore airport.
I went to Bangkok. So I went to, where all? I went to Srinagar. After that I went to Leh. Then I went to Karbunga. Please record this.
It is getting
This
recorded.
guy is not leaving me. He's torturing me.
Oh, we almost missed.
3 hours ಬೇಗ ಬಂದು
We came
ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ
3 hours early. And still, we're just chilling.
Chilling, we didn't even realize.
Yeah.
No one's there.
Hey, but not our fault, yeah?
Shut up.
No, you should have told, no, that it's
ಅವ್ನು
changed.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇತ್ತು. I will definitely respond to Kitty to come out like Kitty. 9 o'clock it will come, no matter what. 2 hours before he called me, first of all.
ಬಾಬಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದವನಪ್ಪ. We finally made it to the Ladakh flight. It's very cold. Again, in the last minute, we got another flight. Window seats. Now this lady is
He took
waiting.
my seat.
Now this lady is waiting to have nice breakfast in Ladakh.
Hot
She doesn't
parathas.
They don't get paratha. You know what the they get bread and omelette or bread jam.
Okay, hot bread. And nice cutting chai. Hey guys, so we are all ready for the Chadar Trek. So we look right now like one people who have not taken part for 3 days. Yamra Babu! Boys ready for Chadar Trek?
Yes, bro. Do it.
Okay, these are all the offloading bags. So look at this guy's bag. It's bigger than him. Hey guys. Hello. His name is Jigmeet. He's a tour operator and his company name is Golden Age Ladakh. He runs a travel and tourism company. So if you guys want any information regarding any treks here in Ladakh, this is the man you need to go to because he will take you to places that none of the other companies take you to, right?
ये स्लिप कहीं कहीं जगह होगा ऐसे जो पानी देख रहे हैं ना इससे फैल गया स्लिपरी होता है उस टाइम हम लोग ज़्यादा पाँव नहीं उठाना है
अच्छा स्लाइड करना है
स्लाइड की तरह चलना है ठीक है ना
ठीक है The joy of having Maggie in this cold weather is just amazing. Thank you so much Jigmeet bhai. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार. Okay, so finally we have started our trek. Tundu bhai leading. We are in the back. It's been 5 to 10 minutes of walking in the snow. Finally the sun is out. It's so slippery because the sun is out. The snow is melting here. But it's kick-ass, man. Just look at this, man. Fucking I never imagined I would be walking on snow. Oh my god, look at that. Beauty. Jigmeet, but beautiful area to come here. We covered a lot of ground, na? कौन से ट्रैक में होता है ऐसा एडवेंचर? बोलिए. सिर्फ गोल्डन एज लद्दाख में. Yeah. Don't fall, come save. Come on, Karishma Devnani.
Yeah, nice. Not like that. You have to have one.
Thank you.
Good morning, guys. This is how it looks right now. I know I'm a bit late. It's around 11 o'clock. It was very beautiful in the morning. So we were supposed to go to Tib from here today, right? But unfortunately, the way has been blocked because the water level has risen up and we can't walk. So we're going to the next stop, Somo, and we're going to be back tomorrow to Leh. So yeah, all in all, we are not going to be completing the Chadar trek. It's sad, I know, but when life is just once, you can always come back for Chadar, but life is just once. So I don't want to take any risk, and I don't want to put my team in any kind of trouble, right? So hey guys, so we just got news that the way is open and we can complete the trek. So we will be going ahead with the plan. Hopefully we should be able to complete it. It's too damn cold. It's getting colder and colder as the time passes by. My hands are freezing right now. Look at that. Spring water, natural spring water. It's really crazy. It must be around minus 25 degrees right now, and even in minus 25 degrees the water is flowing. Very surprising. So we have reached our second campsite, Somo, unplanned campsite. Hi Karishma.
Hi.
Did you imagine that you would see all of this someday?
Thanks to you, Shubham.
All of this. But my friends were telling one thing about you, that she's not complaining anything,
Yeah.
and for the lifestyle that she leads, but she's not doing, and she's walking also at a very good pace. Our crew is so good that these kind of dishes you don't even eat in Bangalore. Pasta, Maggi, sabji, baap re baap, बहुत ही अच्छा है. Okay.
One is lift lobby door and the next some 5 feet there is a staircase door. And exactly at around 4:30 or around 3:30 or 4 o'clock, suddenly the door got open.
Door got opened.
That staircase one. Generally it won't open unless you show ID card, right? It suddenly open. Got some malfunction all. No one is there, then the automatic lights will switch off, right? From that place, no one is there. Lights are switching on one by one. No one is there. I was sitting there only. I listen songs, right? I increase the volume so much. I'm increasing. Then right behind me there is a washroom. There is washroom. Washroom door got open. I increased the volume. I kept earphones. Then water from washroom, the taps got open.
Fuck.
I kept earphones. I started working. I thought I'd leave, but I have a lot of work. This one, if I do, I can't work. I kept so much and I started working till 4:30 o'clock.
After that, nothing. Huh?
After some time, water got stopped, door closed, and lights went off one by one. I was like, I was alone.
Fuck.
But I worked till continue for next 1.5 hours.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया. Good morning guys, day 3. Hey guys, welcome back. Almost reaching our lunch site. Another, I think, 5-10 minutes we should be there. So you see that is where we're going to be having our lunch. Sorry for the screen going here and there, but I'm fucking tired and I don't care, right? We had a good walk today. Walked about 3 to 4 hours non-stop. We covered a lot of distance, something that we had not done on day 1 and day 2 because of the weather, and we had to take rest. Actually, we were told that we will not be able to do the trek, but here we are, fucking killing it. Just look at this, man. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Where do you get this? Fuck. Damn beautiful, damn beautiful. This is how we make our food on the way. We stop on the side, cook, drink, eat, and fuck off. All these adventures you only see in movies, and we are doing it here, baby. Okay, so this is our camp for tonight. We were supposed to go a little ahead, but as you can see there, the water level has come up and we won't be able to walk. 7 o'clock in the morning, I woke up at 6. Look at the camp, completely filled with snow. So yesterday there was water, right? Now you see it's frozen. So chadar has formed, now we can walk peacefully. Okay, last day. We are reaching the summit. As you can see, it's completely snow. And see that the weather is really bad. And my leg went inside the water because the path was the chadar was a little light. And my weight was too much. And one leg went inside the water. Huh? Movie, yeah. Looks like a movie. Oh, Jula! Oh, Jula! Oh, Jula! Woohoo! We did it! Ah, fuck. Karishma, how are you feeling, man? Finally done it.
Like we're in a different universe altogether.
Yeah, no?
Doesn't feel like the earth.
My hand is completely numb. It is that cold here. तो है ना यहाँ पे? हाँ? अच्छा इधर बर्फ से आता है ना सब? Fuck! Look at that! Woohoo! Welcome to the Grand Ice Fall of Ladakh at Nirax village. Look at this frozen waterfall. Fucking for us it's an adventure and we are shivering here, and look at these kids, man, playing here. They're jumping from there. Kara, jump kara. No. Woohoo! Hey! So finally done with the summit, guys, and now chilling with tea there. You can see Karishma having her tea. So we have come here for the Nerak festival. First time ever happening. Hey guys, what's up? Finally reached back to the camp from the summit. There was a Nerak festival going on. We finished that, had a great time there, and within 2 hours we are back. So we are super fast. Good job team, good job. So we are finally going back to camp number 1. Actually, to be honest, we have crossed camp number 1. We are going to camp number 0. From there, our starting point is only half an hour that we're going to be doing tomorrow. It was a great trek. Of course, a lot of challenges, but you become a champion when you go beyond your reasons, right? So always push beyond your reasons. That's when you see success. Top view of Chadar. So when we were walking there, you see that the ice is broken. So Chadar has been broken. That's why we took the other route. We came from there all the way up till here. Look at these cuties. And our porters kick-ass guys. You see them? They're coming through that.
Oh, are they?
Karma aa raha hai. Woohoo! Finally, we made it to the campsite. Goodbye, Chadar. Hey guys, so finally we have made it to the starting point. Done with Chadar. Okay, so until next time, see you guys. Take care. Bye bye. Bye from the team. Woohoo!